Ngayon pong Feb 26, magaganap po ang tinatawag nating kauna-unahang Mercury retrograde. At sa mga nagtatanong kung anong aspeto ng Mercury retrograde sa atin, akin pong hihimay-himayin ito. At para sa kauna-unahan nating tinatawag ng Mercury retrograde for 2026, ito po ay magsisimula ng Feb 26 hanggang March 20. Sa mga nagtatanong kung anong Mercury retrograde, ang Mercury retrograde po ay tinatawag na optical illusion na nag-occur po ng 3 to 4 times yearly when Mercury moves back into orbit. At sa astrology, ito yung time para tayo ay mag-slow down. Sapagkat ang Mercury, yan po yung nagro-rule sa communication, travel, and technology. And it's also considered a period of reflecting and re-evaluating. So pag-usapan naman po natin yung mga common disruptions when it comes to Mercury retrograde. So yung mga common disruptions niyan is miscommunication, technology glitches, travel delays, unexpected misunderstanding in relationships. Kaya ina-advise sa astrology na mag-avoid muna as much as possible na mag-contract signing, mag-buy ng mga expensive electronics, and not rush into new agreements. We can also practice the redo, revise, review, reconnect with people from the past. So yung pinakamagandang gawin natin pag sumasapit po ang tinatawag na Mercury retrograde, tayo po ay mag-reflect. Mag-reflect tayo. Like, ask yourself, nagko-focus ka ba sa energy kung saan nagmamatter? Or if family or faith is important to you, nagbibigay ka ba ng importansya doon? Let's always remember na kapag hindi balanse po yung buhay or different parts ng ating buhay, maaaring mag-cause ito ng suffering sa atin. So sa pagiging aware sa Mercury retrograde, it can help you to maintain at least a better understanding on how to balance your life. So take a moment to reflect because the Mercury retrograde can be an excellent time to take step back and reanalyze who you are and what you are doing. This is Angel Card 88 saying love and light to all and let's be a blessing to others, mga kaswerte. And by the way, if you haven't followed me yet, please do follow me and comment abundance dyan sa comment section. And plus, i-share nyo na rin po itong ating video para marami po ang makakita. Love and light.